Hello everyone, welcome to Nursing Arena. My name is Kritika Indora and today we are going to discuss some of the important questions of microbiology. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Let's get started. First question. Food allergy occurs by immunoglobulin IgM, IgE, IgD or IgA. Ig stands for immunoglobulin. So, the correct answer, food allergy occurs by IgE, that is immunoglobulin E. This is because allergy occurs from IgE is the part of body's immune system binds to the food molecule which floats in the bloodstream. The ability of the body to recognize, destroy and eliminate antigenic material is called energy, adaptation, immunity or resistance. The correct answer, the ability of the body to recognize, destroy and eliminate antigenic material is called immunity. An artificial active immunity is DPT, diphtheria pertussis tetanus, BCG, Bacillus calmette-guerin, TT, tetanus toxoid or none. The correct answer, an artificial active immunity is BCG, Bacillus calmette-guerin. Active artificially acquired immunity refers to any immunization with an antigen. By giving a safe form of the antigen artificially, the body will produce its own antibodies. Which immunity is affected by HIV infection? Natural immunity, active immunity, cellular immunity or humoral immunity? The correct answer, immunity which is affected by HIV infection is cellular immunity. The cellular immune response is induced upon the entry of HIV into the target cells, example T cells, and synthesis of viral proteins. Which of the following microorganisms does not cause vaginitis? Salmonella, Candida albicans, Trichomonas vaginalis, Chlamydia trachomatis. The correct answer, the following microorganisms does not cause vaginitis is Salmonella. Salmonella is the type of bacteria that's the most frequently reported cause of food-related illness that affects the intestinal tracts. Laboratory VDRL test is used to diagnose tuberculosis, pneumonia, syphilis or AIDS. The correct answer, venereal disease research laboratory test is used to diagnose syphilis. VDRL is the screening test for the syphilis. It measures substances, proteins called antibodies which your body may produce if you have come in contact with the bacteria that cause syphilis. Which of the following vaccines should not be kept in a freezer? Polio, diphtheria pertussis and tetanus, DPT vaccine, measles or measles, mumps and rubella MMR vaccine? The correct answer, the following vaccine should not be kept in a freezer is diphtheria pertussis and tetanus DPT vaccine. When a vaccine is damaged by freezing, the potency lost can never be restored. The damage is permanent. Freeze-damaged vaccines have lower immunogenicity and are more likely to cause local reactions, such as sterile abscess. All of the following viruses are transmitted by respiratory route except RSV, rotavirus, influenza virus, or rhinovirus. The correct answer, viruses are transmitted by respiratory route except is rotavirus. Transmission of rotavirus is primarily by fecal-oral route, which can happen directly from person to person or indirectly via contaminated fomites. All of the following are vector-borne disease except Chagas disease, malaria, filariasis, or rubella. The correct answer, the following are the vector-borne disease except rubella. Vector-borne disease results from an infection transmitted to humans and other animals by blood-feeding arthropods, such as mosquitoes, ticks, and fleas. Which of the following immunoglobulin will be high in a person with an allergy? IgE, IgG, IgM, or IgA? The correct answer, the following immunoglobulin will be high in a person with an allergy is IgE. This is because IgE antibodies bind to high affinity receptors on the surface of mast cells and basophils, so that these cells may be highly sensitive to allergens even when the concentration of IgE in the circulation is very low. Polyvalent vaccines consist of more strains of the same species, a single organism, more strains of different species, or a single species. The correct answer, polyvalent vaccines consist of more strains of the same species. Polyvalent means having a valency of 3 or more. Which of the following is a diagnostic test for typhoid? ELISA, that is enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, Schick test, Vidal test, or Mantoux test? The correct answer, the following is a diagnostic test for typhoid is Vidal test. The only class of immunoglobulin which is transported across the placenta is IgG, IgA, IgD, or IgM? The correct answer, the only class of immunoglobulin which is transported across the placenta is IgG. Acid-fast bacilli are found positive in which of the following conditions? Tuberculosis and leprosy, SARS and diphtheria, tuberculosis, or diphtheria? The correct answer, acid-fast bacilli are found positive in tuberculosis and leprosy. Acid-fast bacteria are microorganisms resistant to decolorization by an acid, hence the term acid-fast. Which of the following is used for passive immunization? Killed vaccine, human and animal sera, toxoid, or live attenuated vaccine? The correct answer, the following which is used for passive immunization is human and animal sera. Passive immunization is the transfer of active humoral immunity of ready-made antibodies. Food items Bacillus cereus food poisoning occurs: potatoes, fried rice, green bean or soya bean. The correct answer: food items Bacillus cereus food poisoning occurs with fried rice. Bacillus cereus is a foodborne pathogen that can produce toxins, causing two types of GI illness: the emetic syndrome and the diarrheal syndrome. Emetic means vomiting. In a laboratory, most human pathogens grow in A. 20 to 30 degree, B. 15 to 20 degree, C. 30 to 37 degree, or D. 38 to 39 degree. The correct answer: in a laboratory, most human pathogens grow in 30 to 37 degree. Which of the following is the method of killing microorganisms with their spores? Sterilization, disinfection, flaming, or incineration? The correct answer: following is a method of killing microorganisms with their spores are sterilization. If a test is sensitive, it will be explained as the ability of a test to correctly identify those without the disease, true negative rate, true positive in current time, true positive in long time, or the ability of a test to correctly identify those with the disease, true positive rate. The correct answer: if a test is sensitive, it will be explained as the ability of a test to correctly identify those with the disease, that is true positive rate. Microorganisms that cause dental caries: Salmonella, Candida albicans, Streptococcus, or Staphylococcus. The correct answer: microorganisms that cause dental caries are Streptococcus. Streptococcus mutants cause the dental caries. They split the sucrose in food and use one of the sugars to build it capsule, which sticks tightly to the tooth and cause tooth decay. Which of the following is major immunological serum? IgA, IgG, IgE, or IgM? The correct answer: the following is the major immunological serum, that is IgM. Antibodies are produced by following cells: T lymphocytes, platelets, RBCs, or lymphocytes. The correct answer: antibodies are produced by lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are WBCs that are also one of the body's main type of immune cells. The vaccine for meningococcal meningitis provides immunity that lasts for about 5 years, 2 years, 3 years, or 4 years. The correct answer: the vaccine for meningococcal meningitis provides immunity that lasts for about 3 years. Immunity means antibodies and antigens reaction, transfer of maternal antibodies across the placenta, level of resistance of a person to a particular disease, or acquired immunity by immunization. The correct answer: immunity means level of resistance of a person to a particular disease. Trichomonal infection is caused by protozoa, yeast, fungus or bacteria. The correct answer, trichomonal infection is caused by protozoa. Protozoas are one-celled organisms which eat bacteria and other food sources including amoeba, flagellates, etc. Thank you everyone. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.